There's enough ad revenue out here for all of us, okay? There's enough views out here for all of us, okay? So we can all do this thing.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Coco with Living That Florida Life, and in this video I'm going to share with you how I got monetized in 2 months just doing what I love, RV camping, and how much YouTube paid me in AdSense after posting RV camping videos. I'm not going to draw this out and make it, all long or anything like that, but I do want to give you a little background. When I started my YouTube channel, I had absolutely no experience. I also do not have any social media following, so I literally started from scratch. Every subscriber that I have has been organic, and I do appreciate all of my subscribers. I appreciate y'all so much. And I actually am doing this video because I had a subscriber to ask me a few questions about getting monetized and how the process worked. Now, I will say that everybody's situation is different, other than you do have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours get paid for ads, for AdSense. But there isn't a set amount that you are paid. It really just depends on your video, the type of video, how long your video is, category your video is in, how many ads are being watched. You also get paid for YouTube Premium. Okay, now, when I first decided to do a YouTube channel, I was not someone who watched YouTube all the time. I know that sounds weird, but I didn't really watch YouTube. I only went to YouTube when I was searching somewhere to go, just to know what to expect. And for my 50th birthday, my husband and I had booked a cruise to the Bahamas. And I had wanted to go to Atlantis. It was on my bucket list. And so I started looking for videos about Atlantis, and I couldn't find anything from the perspective of a middle-aged couple. So, because I wanted to do the water park, and I hadn't been to a water park in over 40 years, y'all. So I was really looking and I couldn't find it. So I decided that that was going to be my first video. Now, being that I had no experience and I hadn't really been watching any YouTube channels, at first I considered it a vlog, but I was not talking in the video. So technically that's not a vlog. I learned later on that vlogging means talking, okay? And during that time, I wasn't very comfortable with talking on the video. I wasn't very comfortable with talking to the camera. But one thing that I can say, after being on YouTube, it has helped my confidence so much. It has helped me to just be who I am and not worry about what anybody say, because the beauty about YouTube also is it's your channel. It's your channel. So you have the opportunity to post whatever you want to post. Now, I will say, in the beginning, I didn't have a specific niche. I was posting cooking videos, I was posting cruise videos, I was posting vlogs. My channel was really all over the place. And because of that, YouTube couldn't really find my audience. Before I posted my first RV camping video, I had 350 subscribers and 2,500 watched hours. After I posted my first RV camping video, within 2 months, y'all, I had 1,257 subscribers and 10,400 watched hours. I could not believe it. Like, I was totally shocked. I mean, it really does only take one video to change everything. And I don't know what it was. It was like right before I got monetized. the heavens opened up and somebody opened up the door and I walked through it. Okay. That one camping video in 2 months had gained 733 subscribers and 5,400 watched hours on one video, y'all. One video did that. So I'm like, okay, maybe I need to start doing RV camping videos. Now, one thing about it, even if this is not your niche, I still want to give you some little background that can probably help you when you're trying to decide about finding a niche. Like I said, YouTube did not know my audience, but when I did the RV camping videos, for whatever reason, it resonated with a lot of people. Now, I will say that this is not an RV camping channel. There are some great RV camping channels that totally do RV camping. We just so happen to have bought an RV, and that's how our audience was found, from the RV camping videos. Now, when I first posted that RV camping video, it did take a little while for YouTube to find the audience. The first week it had 61 views, and then I think like the first month it had around 800 views. But I don't know what happened. All of a sudden the video just took off. That video has over 61,000 views. Okay. I have gained over 1,600 subscribers from that one video, and I have made almost $850 from that one video, y'all. Like, I could not believe it. So it made me look at this whole YouTube thing a lot different, okay? Because before it was more like a hobby, you know, and I wasn't really taking it serious. I was basically just posting whenever I felt like posting. I didn't have a set schedule. I've never had like a script, and I just always had just kind of, you know, just went with the flow when posting the videos. So now I am looking at it a little bit different now that I know that it is possible to make money on YouTube by posting videos. I mean, I would hear people say it, but most of the time people would say, oh, it would take you a year or 2 years before they first got monetized. And then they said in the first month of being monetized, they did not receive a check. Because with AdSense, you do have to meet a threshold of $100 before you receive your first paycheck. So if you don't meet the threshold of $100, then you will not get paid until the following month. And the way that it works, YouTube pays you on the 21st through the 26th of the following month. So when I got monetized May the 9th, the first day, I had got $12.49. Okay. So I really wasn't expecting to receive a check the following month. Whatever you earn in May, you don't get paid until the 21st to the 26th of June. So I was not expecting to even receive a check. You know, based on everybody else's results, no one was receiving a check their first month. Before I tell you how much I made on my first YouTube AdSense paycheck, let me tell you how much I am earning right now on the most recent RV camping video that I posted on August 4th. Right now, that video has over 6,300 views. I have gained 54 subscribers, and I have currently earned $128.94, y'all, on the video that I just posted August the 4th. Now, some of y'all might look at it and say that's not a lot of money, but for a housewife, I have not worked in 7 years, y'all. So for me to be able to earn money doing something that I would be doing anyway, like we would be going camping anyway. We didn't get a camper just for YouTube videos, but I honestly did not think that it was going to take off like that. Like that one video changed everything for my YouTube channel, and I really did not expect for that to happen, y'all. And not only was my older videos starting to get views, but I had brand deals to reach out to me as well. Yes, I have had 8 brand deals to reach out to me, and that's not, you know, bragging. That's just letting you know that it is possible. But during that time, my channel was just starting to gain momentum, and I was just finding my audience. So I didn't want to start advertising. I didn't want to start pushing products because like I said, I really wanted to grow my channel organically. If you are finding this video useful, or if you find anything that helps you in this video, please like the video. That way the algorithm can get the video out to help other people who may be interested in learning this content. So please like the video, and hey, go over to Living That Florida Life. And if you like the videos that are on there, then subscribe, okay? Now, let's get down to the nitty gritty, okay? Everybody's results is not gonna be the same, like I said, and most people do not get monetized the first month, from what I was told. So I was not really expecting to receive anything. But my first YouTube check, I got monetized on May the 9th, 2024. I had 102,170 views, 2,200 subscribers, and I had earned $1,113.32 on my very first YouTube check, y'all. My very first check. And this is just with me just winging it, just not having no experience, just recording my videos. I love editing. Editing is like my favorite part of doing the YouTube videos. I end up falling in love with editing. But yes, my first YouTube AdSense check was over $1,000. I was so shocked. I did not expect it at all. So I just want to tell y'all that there's enough ad revenue out here for all of us, okay? There's enough views out here for all of us, okay? So we can all do this thing. So go ahead and get that video out there. Stop being afraid. Find your niche. Do what it is that you love, and just put forth all of the effort that you can. Invest in yourself, and I am wishing you nothing but success. Thank you so much for watching, and hey, go over and check out Living That Florida Life. And if you like the videos, then subscribe, and don't forget to like this video if you have found it useful. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Peace out.